So a little something I forgot to show you in regards to fillets and chamfers. There are some options in there I wanted to cover for you. Create a polyline. And I'm just going to do my lovely, fun, wonderful little zigzag pattern here. And then I'm going to create a rectangle. And it's just going to go right here. Nothing fancy. Okay. Fillet with a radius. Let's just leave it at 2, see what happens. Now I can, even though these are polylines I just drew, I can fillet individual segments of the polyline. Or, if I start this command over again, fillet. And you look down here, I have an option where it says polyline. Well, that basically means it's going to fillet all the vertices of that polyline that it can. So I can select this polyline, and you'll notice all 4 corners of this polyline are going to have that radius applied to it. This is actually a pretty handy tool. It used to be that you couldn't fillet polylines at all. So I'm going to undo. I'm going to undo again. Fillet with a radius. I'm going to leave it at 2. That's fine. P, because I want to use the fillet all the vertices of a polyline. Polyline does not have to be closed for me to fillet them. I can also cancel out of this. Fillet. You say use the same 2-inch polyline. Technically, these 2 lines right here will intersect, but way far away, so I can select on that side, come down here and select that side. It won't let me. It won't let me. I really thought it would. I guess they're just too far away. And these things happen. Just pull them in a little closer, see what happens. Fillet. Want that one? No, it won't let me do it. That's good to know. You can only fillet adjacent sides. Learn something every day. All right. Also, just as the fillet command, you can use them on polyline segments and closed polyline shapes. You can still do the same with a chamfer. I'm going to set my distance to 2, and my second distance is going to match. And I'm going to do this on the polylines. Push P, press the space bar. I can have both of those, or all 4 of those, all chamfered in one operation. Very handy thing. Anytime you can shorten the number of clicks and mouse movements, keyboard strokes, and mouse clicks, anytime you can lessen that number, especially if you're undergoing operations that you do thousands of times a day, you're going to save a lot of time. So another quick little tidbit on fillets and chamfers.